Okay, hello guys, welcome again to my channel again. Welcome guys, welcome, good afternoon, good evening, good morning from other parts of the world you're watching from. And today we're gonna be doing the weekly analysis. Last week I just made a video on liquidity and all you need to know about liquidity. So today what we're gonna be doing is just with the usual weekly analysis and what are we looking out for this week. Alright, so let's get into the video, but before we do that, first of all, please if you've not yet liked and subscribed to this channel, please do like and subscribe. It's going to help me and also gonna help you guys, all right, because you're going to get notifications on the videos I'm going to be posting, and also turn on the notification buttons too, so you're going to get the videos, you're going to get the notifications earlier and quickly if you subscribe, and it's going to help grow the channel and the community. All right, so guys, please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. So what I call weekly analysis is whereby I analyze the market, what I think the market is going to do for the coming week. All right, what I think probably to be the beginning of the week, probably could be the end of the week, but what I know that the market would likely do at the beginning of the week, like when that is today is Sunday the 16th, so it is 2 minutes past 6 p.m. UTC +1 Nigeria time. So yeah, when the market opens, but I like to the market usually I look at the market from Monday. All right, so when Monday open in markets, when it's Monday, what we're looking out for. So first of all, the main thing I'm going to be talking today is the yen, right? Because I'm seeing a lot of confluences, because you heard this from me. First of all, I'm expecting yen weakness, all right, but probably not going to be massive weakness, but I'm expecting the yen to drop, the yen to be weak. So therefore that means the dollar counterpart, the dollar pairs sorry, what I'm saying, the JPY, the yen pairs will buy for some moment. All right, that is what I'm expecting, and the dollar, the yen pairs would be strong. So GBPJPY would buy, EURJPY would buy, and the other JPY pairs, they go along, they usually move along. So I anticipate they're going to be moving along too. So yeah, let's get into the video quickly. So one of the things, this is the yen index. If you guys don't know about it, let me make my screen a little bit larger. And yeah, so first of all, let me just get rid of some things. Let me remove every drawing that's here. Yeah, I see it's a very neat chart now. So we see that on weekly, I don't look at the weekly trend, right? But I can also be seeing some chart patterns. I like to look at candlesticks and chart patterns on the weekly. Sorry guys, I like to look at chart patterns and mostly candlesticks. I don't usually come in to look at the trend, because it doesn't really matter. I don't think it matters when you're trading like on the lower time, like the 15-minute, when you're a day trader. But I think it matters when maybe you're a swing trader. I think the weekly should be one of the one of the things you do. You analyze weekly. All right, but I don't do that because the weekly is way too far. Like the weekly candle could just be a whole trend on the 1 hour. Like it's not really necessary that much. But I look at the candlesticks that form, and I look at key levels. All right, I've not brought the key levels over here. No, I just deleted everything before coming to delete this one. I just deleted just not long ago. But I don't know if I should do it. I just wanted to show you guys, point some things out. Or let me plot in. Let's go ahead and plot it. It's going to teach some guys about how I trade. So first of all, let's just plot the key levels. That's what I come to do on the weekly time frame. This is how my strategy works. I come and I plot what they call key levels. All right. So what are key levels? Key levels are areas where the market reacted from often. Right, where the market reacted from very often. So those are what I call key levels, and I usually just use this line. This is what I usually use, so I just plot them. This is how I plot them. I like to plot them from ending the body. If it's a week, I don't care about the weeks. I don't care about the weeks. I just care about the body of the candle. Guys, I'm really tired, but let's just make this video. Yeah, so this is one. You can see market reacted here, reacted here. I think I should just make this bigger. Yeah, so this is good. So this is on the weekly time frame. Usually I'll do this on the monthly, but let's not go there, and just for the sake of the video. I'll do the monthly because the monthly will make it much later, and then I'll come to the weekly and adjust it. But the main thing is actually the weekly. So you can see the market reacted here, reacted here, reacted here. So that's one key level. Definitely we're going to mark this area too. You can see market reacted here, reacted here, and so on, reacted here. All right, we right click and we clone, and we're going to mark the next key level, which is right here. Wow, 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 wow. I'm seeing something I didn't see before, guys. Seeing something I didn't see before. Wow, 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 wow. You see why I block key levels? Guys, before I didn't see this. All right, it broke this key level. You can see the market respects this place. It's under it, it pushes down. Whenever it's under it pushes down. If you close above it, you can see we push up. Now we close below it again, so we expect we're going to push down again. Wow, wow. So guys, what I'm doing this is plotting key levels. I also plot here, but I don't want to go too far. I've seen what I wanted already. Just the most recent, like what I like to do. But in my normal chart, I used to plot everything. But you have to know what you're looking for is like the most recent plots. You're looking for the most recent. So guys, this is the yen index. The yen index, you don't know what it is. It's a basket. It's it determines or it shows what the strength of the yen is. It just shows the strength of the yen. It determines the strength of the yen. Let's adjust this. Let it look neat. Let it look neat and nice. Alright, so guys, today is the yen I'm going to talk about because I'm seeing very good potential on the yen index. The yen index is showing weakness, so I'm expecting market to probably reach like somewhere here or somewhere. It's going to just deep down. Alright, so we want to capitalize on that move on the lower time frame. We're going to like to capitalize on that move it's going to make on the lower time frame, but not trading the yen index, trading the yen pairs, because you can't actually trade this. This is just a measurement, just like the DXY, the dollar index. All right, so we're going to capitalize on this with the GBPJPY, the EURJPY, and the CHFJPY or USDJPY, whatever JPY, because they mostly move alike. Right, the only one that usually scares me is USDJPY because the USDJPY, I don't really like to trade it when one is like the USDJPY is best traded when either the dollar or the yen, one has to be better than the other. If two of them are like weak, you will just be seeing a lot of choppiness, or two of them are like strong, you just be seeing a lot of choppiness. But one has to like be weak and then are strong, then you can be able to see some good moves. So if we can see dollar being weak and the yen being strong, we're going to be expecting a push to the dollar being weak and yen being strong. Okay, we're going to expect a deep down. All right, we're going to expect a deep down. Or if we can see the excuse me, guys. All right, let's continue. So if we can see a deep, if we can see the yen being strong and the dollar being weak, so we're gonna see USDJPY buying. All right. So yeah, let's get back to what we're doing. We plotted the key levels on the weekly. All right, we plotted our key levels on the weekly. This place is kind of like giving me a little bit difficulty. I don't really know. Let me go to the monthly. 1 month. Let's go to the monthly and arrange it a little bit. Okay, you can see what I'm saying. The monthly just makes it much neater. Then we'll come back to the weekly. And it's not really neat on the weekly though. But let's see. Market closes. The market closes above. Let's draw this a little bit downward, just like this. Definitely, some things cannot be really perfect, but it is what it is. So let's leave it like this though. Yeah, leave like this. I think this is okay. So yeah, you can see market. These places are areas the market reacted to, and down you can see market came here, rejected this place, closed. We could see market push down. Whenever it's above it, we see market push up. Whenever it's below it, we see market push down. This is on the weekly, guys. All right, you can see market pushing down. Market came again, close above it. You can see market push up. Now we see market close below it again. All right. So what we traders do, we look at what the past did and we expect that's what the future is going to behave like. All right. So what we're looking at is we are not looking at to trade out from the weekly. We're looking at this so that because we believe that It's likely going to do something. I believe there's going to be a little bit of move that will go on here, so we want to capitalize on that move that will happen here. Maybe tomorrow, maybe Tuesday. Sometimes Monday can be somehow very choppy. Then you see the move now happen on Tuesday, maybe not happen on like Asian session on Tuesday, and then probably the London session is not like really make the big move. So, but expect from you heard it from that you heard it from Kingsley's Radio first. We're expecting yen weakness, all right. So we're expecting to be buying GBPJPY, EURJPY, and the rest of the JPYs. Mostly, we're going to be the big difference you see is that one of some will be faster than the other. The ones that are stronger are the ones that are going to push faster. The ones that are weaker are the ones that are going to push slower. So let's say if the euro is very strong, in which I believe actually the euro is strong right now, you're going to see the euro going to move faster than the pound, or probably the Audi or whatever CHF, whichever is stronger is going to move faster. So that is it for the weekly. So one of the things I'm seeing here on the weekly, you can see we have got our key level. So first conference is that we are at a key level on the weekly. We are at a key level on the weekly. This area here. Let's wait a minute. Yeah. Okay, we're back. So this key area here, this is the key level. We're at a key level. All right. We're at a key level. Mind you, I believe this is going to be temporary. The move is going to be temporary because we are still very in a overall uptrend, but this is going to be, we are capitalizing on the little move is going to make it. But on the lower time frame, like the 1 hour, it's already a downtrend. The 4 hour is still ranging, but the range I think is going to break latest on the new weeks when the markets open. All right, so you had this from this radio first. Yen weakness. This one I'm going to do will be the name of this video. It was yen weakness expected. Kingsley's radio first. All right, so I think I should be working for JP Morgans and the rest of the people. So let's get it. Let's continue. So we can see first of all we are at a key level here. We can see market reacted here, and whenever we close above it, we see market push up. Wherever we close up below it, we see market push down. We close below it, we see market push down. Close above it here. It's very clear here. Close above, we see market push up. We close below it, we see market push down. Close above it, we see market push up. All right, over here we see market close above it, we push up. And you can also date it backwards too. Let's draw this thing backwards so you can see that it also goes backwards. All right, you see we go up, we come down. All right, so that is it. Wait a minute, let us yeah, cool. So yeah, and then now one of the things we are very clear is that one of the another reason is because of the chart pattern we are seeing here. Sorry, a candlestick chart pattern we are seeing here. I know some of you, if you follow my strategy, you must have seen this double bottom here. Like, oh wow, it's a double bottom. That's why I said this double bottom is also something I consider too. But I would say that the move is likely just going to be temporary. All right, it's likely just going to be temporary. But let's see what happens. But believe me, this is going to move. This is going to go deep a little bit. So next thing was the candlestick formation. First of all, on a key level, so you can see this candlestick formation. So you can see the previous week we ended, or let's say the last two previous week we ended an indecision. All right, then we ended first one indecision, second one indecision. All right, and they both closed above here. And whenever they close above here, you could see market push up. That's why you see on the 4 hour, you see a ranging market on the 4 hour, because the yen was still very indecisive. When you see indecisive, when you see market range, most like what you see on the high time is indecision candles. All right, if you've been on market too long, you're going to know that. When you see a lot of ranging on the probably you see a lot of ranging on the 4 hour, you see that on weekly the market will be creating decision candles. And let's say you see a lot of ranging on, like let's say on the 30 minute, you find out on the 1 hour you just be seeing decision candles. That's how it really works. Right, so we could see market kept closing above this level, and we kept seeing market push up. All right, kept seeing market push up, and now we have a candle that is very, very, very used by the trading community, which is the pin bar, the bearish pin bar. Finally, we got a bearish pin bar, and the bearish pin bar closed below this key level here. And what they always said initially, when it closed below it, we expect market to push down, because it did that in the previous years, in the previous weeks. Right? It closed below it, we saw market push down. Closed below it, it did close above, we saw market dip down. Close above, we saw market push up. So we believe it closed below it again, we're going to see market dip down. But I don't really think the dip will be really massive. I think it's just like massive like this, you know, but I think it's going to go down a little bit. Maybe just go down like this one over here. Just, you know, just going to reach half of this body, and then we'll maybe see something. We don't know yet, but what we know, what I know now is like market is likely gonna go down a little bit. All right, likely gonna down. So this pin bar is a very used candle in the trading community. The pin bar, all right, it just signifies that rejection of price, and it's a bearish one, and you can see the body, very massive big body. So market opened here, went rejected. You can see even the indecision candles also showed rejections. Those that they ended indecisive, but then this one rejected and closed below the rest of the indecision candles, below this level too. It also closed below this support level that also can be a resistance, this key level. All right, so this candle is a very, you guys should know this candle. Let me show you another way you can see this candle. Same thing, see the candle here. All right, you can see the candle here, rejection. You can see this pin bar, and boom, to the other side. You can see it closes, and then we get this little bit retraction, and then boom, to the other side. Crazy, right? So you can see another rejection here. Market came, push up. You can see rejections. Rejections are very key level. Remember that used to be used in key levels, because you can see here, this is not a key level. This is an uptrend, but you can see what happened. All right, you can see it here too. Rejection, boom, to the downside. Here is it again. It's best used with the trend. That's what I'm saying, guys. We're gonna be careful. I like to use pin bars, engulfing. Another candlestick I'm seeing that is really it's a very good candlestick is the tweezer top. If you don't know the tweezer top, let me just draw a little bit for you. This is the tweezer top. You just see market will just do something like this. Let's say this is a blue one, this is a green one, and then you just see another candle that just be either equivalent or just a little bit not too. Let's say sometimes it will just look like this, but they are sometimes the same thing. This is it here, right? Let me just draw out for you guys. This is it here. You can see that this one here, that's the tweezer top, and we also have the tweezer bottom. So let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of these also. Alright, so first of all, we can see this pin, and this is one of the first conference closing below the structure level on the weekly time frame. Now let's go to the daily time frame. We are done with the weekly. Let's go to the daily time frame. The daily time, remember I told you guys I like to see engulfing candles, and I like to see engulfing candles and pin bars and tweezer tops too. Alright, so then on the daily, we can see this very okay. See, it's clear here. It's clear here now. You can see markets, when the market close below it, market push down. Whenever it close below it, we see it closed above it, we saw market push up, close below it. Now we've broken it again. So we expect market to dip down. Maybe if it dips down, then we'll not see. Maybe if it dips down this way, then we'll not see a push to the upside. Because I was expecting market to actually reach this level, but I think it's not going to get there any longer. So then on the daily, what we're seeing, you just reading, what I'm just doing here is just reading market structures. I'm just reading market structure and the candlesticks. Alright, the candlesticks is part of the market structure. That's all I'm just doing. Simple and short. Just the market structure and the candlesticks. That's all I'm doing. Nothing much, nothing less. Alright, so we can see simple. It's not brain blah 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 shit. Alright, let me mark this that I saw it from the daily. I like to use this big one for the daily. Daily, so 1 day, that's what I saw. Or just put the daily. I like to just mark trend lines and let me know that this is where this trend line represents for the daily. So I'll just use it for daily. When I see it on 4 hour, I don't use it, I use it for the daily. So first one, we can see market engulfed, came down. The next one engulfed, the next day pushed, was bearish, the next one engulfed, then the next day again, which was the end of the week, engulfed the previous 2 days. First, we could see the beginning of the week, which was Monday, was engulfed. By the next day, Tuesday, market pushed down. And then Wednesday, Thursday engulfed Wednesday, and then Friday engulfed both Thursday and Wednesday. Shows a lot more buying pressure. That's what it usually signifies. A lot more buying pressure. Alright, so this engulfing candle acts as a confluence, and it's below the structure level too. Right, it's below the structure level. So that is one of the things. You can see we've drawn a trend line. It's broken the trend line, but not properly. That's why I said either Monday or Tuesday we're going to see the move happen. We're going to be certain about the move either Monday or Tuesday. So now let's get quickly to the 4-hour time frame, and let me show you guys what I'm seeing. Wow, this trend line can also be used on the 1-hour time frame too. It's valid too. It's also a valid trend line on the 1-hour time on the 4-hour time frame. So what we see on the 4-hour time frame, right? On the 4-hour time frame, what I'm seeing, I usually draw. I have the different. You've noticed I have different tools I use in drawing my support and resistance. I saw my key levels. Right, this color is what like the one I use on the to draw on my 4-hour. All right, the daily. Let me show you guys. I have not drawn on daily, but this is what I use on the daily. This one is for the daily to draw daily key levels. All right, remember I just told you. I told you, you watch my previous videos. I just draw key levels on the daily, weekly, and the 4-hour. And I have different tools where I draw them. I also draw them on every time frame, but I just have different tools I use to draw them so I can know what level this is. All right, because the higher the level, the more stronger it's going to likely hold. So and so that not to be confused, because if I draw something on the weekly, I cannot be drawing weekly levels and looking at it from the 1-hour time frame. Like 1-hour time frame could just be, it's not going, it doesn't really make a lot of sense. All right, because it's a different time frame. So what we're seeing, we see markets resisted here, push up, came back again, rejected here, push up, it broke it here again, broke it here again. Guys, what do we see when market keeps on breaking structures? It's likely to not hold again. We've seen it. Let me show you guys DXY. What happened in DXY? So you see that this market, they always tally. They always tally. This is the DXY. Let me show you guys something. All right, so now this is the same ranging market you can see that happened on the DXY. This is the dollar index. Market kept breaking this level, 4-hour level. Market kept breaking it, and then boom to the downside. These charts, they usually are alike, so we expect this is what is going to happen on the yen index too. Let's get back there. I've just shown you guys what happened on the dollar index, and then we've got that massive move from the dollar. That's why I'm saying I'm expecting the move to be down, but I don't know how massive the move is going to be on the yen index. So same thing, easy peasy. Market keep breaking structure to the downside. Keeps breaking the support and resistance, not respecting the support and resistance that's going on the downside. But meanwhile, to the upside, we can see support and resistance being respected. You can see the support and resistance being respected. Let's push this up. Whoa! Market comes, reject it. We can see here is much more being respected than down here. Alright? So what does that show? That people are, the sellers are likely pushing the price down. You can see market has broken it, broken. Even though you want to keep it here, definitely you can't keep it here. Can't keep, because market rejected 1, 2 only, but here holds more than the rest of the places. Right, keeps breaking it. Now it has broken it again and closed below it. So all these ones that it breaks, push up, was just forming decision, but now we have confirmed because the weekly has given us a very good candlestick formation. It has showed us it on a key level. Remember, these things, they are best traded when they are out of a key level or into a key level, not when you just see them in a random place. You can see it's broken the trend line. That's one. Let me see. Let's just skip this well. On the 4-hour time frame, is still respecting the trend line. That's why we have to be very careful with this trade. Alright, we have to be careful. But on the daily, it's broken the trend line. Right, so we can see it's happening. So what we want is a full break from this level here. That's what we want. We want to see a full break from this level. Let's draw our trend line. Put it to here. Then we'll add 4-hour, because I like to know where this trend line is coming from. So yeah, this is what we're just gonna do from 1, 2. So if we get a third touch, whatever we get a third touch from, we'll look for crazy on the other side, that is GJ and the EJ. We're going for crazy buys. So that's it. So you can see these constancies, just they all add up. From the weekly was out. The confluence from the weekly was from the key level. Alright, it was the key level. One, it happened on the key level. The candlestick formation with the P bar, alright, closing below the key level would have always resisted. Alright, then from the daily, we could see an engulfing candle on the daily that engulfed the previous 2 days. Alright, which also marked the end of the week. right? It ended in an engulfing candle at the end of the week. On the 4-hour time frame, on the daily, we saw it broke a trend line. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see it break, engulf the previous 4-hour, and also close below structure level, just being disrespecting this support area, breaking it often and often and often. So what does that mean? We are likely to break it downward. Now, the only thing we don't have now is entry. Every confidence that this is going to go down has been cleared. The only thing we don't have now is entry. That's one thing traders don't know. Everything could line up, yes, but the entry, we need entry also has its own pattern that we need to see to enter. We don't just come and say, oh, weekly says this, the daily says this, oh, we enter. No, we need an entry. And what I use for entry, I use candlesticks and chart patterns. Now, one of the things I added is liquidity too, liquidity grabs and liquidity sweeps. All right. So now the only thing now I don't have in this trade is entry. Is entry is only entry I don't have. But I'll keep you guys updated during the week. All right. I'll post trades. I'll take that GJ because I'm expecting that GJ is going to be weak. So, but no, you have to know that in this market anything can always happen. We could just wake up tomorrow morning and then everything is gone crazy. GJ is no more weak. GJ is the strongest of all currencies. Sorry, yen is the strongest of all currencies. It happens. It has happened a lot of times. I've experienced that. Analyzing markets, and the next day you can see that it goes against what you analyzed massively, and you yourself you join and start maybe buying. You like, whoa, this is a crazy buy. You start buying too. It happens. So let's not keep our hopes 100%. But the confluence is giving me a 70% that indeed the market is going to, and the yen is going to be weak for a while, all right, for a moment or for a while, whatever one. So that's the only thing. Let me check the 1 hour. We don't have any entry yet. Trust me, guys, we don't have any entry yet because for me to enter a trade, I would like to see maybe it touch a depth of the trend line, sweeps liquidity, something like that. All right. So right now there's no entry, so let's not even get there. Let's just get to the real things we're going to trade because we can't trade this yen basket. All right. So we can't trade this yen basket. Let's start from EURJPY. It's very neat. It's very clear on the yen basket. Well, let's check out if the same confluence is made on the EURJPY because they're usually just the opposite. It's just the opposite of the yen index is the opposite of the EURJPY. EURJPY is the opposite of the yen index. Just like how EUR is the opposite of the DXY and the DXY is the opposite of the yen opposite of EURUSD. Sorry guys, this network is kind of like fluctuating here. All right, cool, we are good. So now guys, you can see it here. You can see these levels I plotted are just the weekly ones. These are the weekly ones. I don't know if I should clear this. Man, this is my real chart. I mean, let me just use another chart, probably EURJPY. I don't want to clear everything. Let me use another chart. Let me use the IC markets. 7. Yeah, cool. It's not looking neat on the it's not looking neat on EURJPY, but very much clear on the yen basket. So EURJPY, I don't like how the candles are really forming. So no matter what, you have to know that we have to be careful how we're trading this, and we are seeing a lot of very, I don't know, crazy, kind of like crazy moves here. So let's look at the daily, how the daily closed. How did the daily closed? Oh wow, the daily closed well. You can see an engulfing candle. You can see this level here, market close. Yes. Right. So let's draw our level. Let's do right here. This is why this is the tools for you can see this is the tool I use for the daily candles. Alright. This is the tool I use for the daily candles. This is okay, yeah, I think that's okay. Our market close above here. Yeah, and engulf the previous 2 days. Good. See what happens on the 4-hour. Oh wow, okay, we are an option on the 4-hour. That's a good one. An engulfing candle on the daily. That's a good one. The weekly. It's not really giving me what I like. But let's see what trend we are on the daily. The daily, what trend are we giving? Whoa, we give an uptrend. Right, market is breaking structures to the upside. Came here. You can see rejected. It was downtrend before. Now you can see it's broken this previous higher, this previous lower high, yeah. Broken it, and we've confirmed that indeed we want to keep breaking it, and we've seen it to the upside. So the trend has changed actually on EURJPY. The trend has actually changed. We are making structures to the upside. So what we'll do now, we'll draw a trend line. Wow, so EURJPY now is in an uptrend. We'll draw a trend line. Should we draw it from this one or that one? Which one? Let's draw it from this one. I guess it's like the most recent. First touch, second touch. Let's see what happens on the third touch. We'll mark this. So guys, EURJPY is an uptrend. We are no more in a downtrend any longer. What am I writing? 4H. Ow. Alright, so EURJPY is an uptrend. You can see we are making higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs and higher lows. I don't know if I should draw from here. Please be. Let's see what happens. When we draw from here, it's not tallying. It's not tallying. It's breaking the trend. It's not tallying. Let's give it that one. Okay. So we're seeing for a while we are on an uptrend. On the daily, gave on a confirming candle. The weekly didn't really give us what we are looking for, but we know 2 time frames have already shown us up movement, which is good. That's all we need. At least 2 time frames should tally up. And let's check what is happening on the 1 hour. I think this week is what I'll be focusing on is mostly the yen pair itself and gold. A little bit gold is giving good structure. You can see also on the 1 hour we are an uptrend. So what is stopping us? When market get back, look for to see how we can buy these markets. That's what we're looking out for. So yeah, we're not. As I'm saying, what now we've confirmed the movement is buys, but we don't have any entry yet. So we just want to see some movement and give us an entry. Same thing on GJ. GJ definitely will be. Oh, see that. But GJ is not really neat as EURJPY is. It's not really neat as EURJPY, but we can see market is breaking structures to the upside. Okay, this one broke this one, and then this one pulled back, broke this one. So we expect it's gonna keep on breaking. Right, this chart is dirty. This is my chart. This is a trade, some trade I took and some one I didn't take. But we can see it. We keep breaking structure to the upside, but it's not really clean. All right, so I think I don't really like GJ. I prefer EURJPY because it's more neat. I like neat charts. Well, we can still trade it. We see opportunity. All right, so that's it, guys. That's just all I wanted to plan. Let me just check out EURJPY for a click. I won't look at all the yen pairs. And EURJPY, whoa, we're still on a downtrend on EURJPY. Let's see on a downtrend on EURJPY, which is not so good because the dollar is actually very weak, extremely weak. But let's keep watching. But we're on a downtrend on EURJPY. As I say, EURJPY is kind of always tricky. One needs to be stronger than the other for it to show you a clear trend. Like this whole down movement was because the yen was very strong and the dollar was very weak. You can see a very neat down movement. But when top down now weak or top down strong, you start seeing it becomes very, I don't know, doesn't really always move very well. So yeah, that's it, guys. So thank you very much for watching, staying up to this point. If you did, thank you. Like, subscribe, and comment. Most especially, tell me what you guys want me to keep making videos on. All right, it's more about communication is key, is what they say, yo. All right, communicate. Tell me what you want me to be saying about. I will talk it and I will teach you guys. If I have the knowledge about it, but I can also I can go as far as making a research to just make you guys happy. All right, so like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next week. Peace out.